How to play Bhaasha Cards. It can be played by all age groups above 7 years, and you will need 2 or more players. The deck consists of 2 sets of language cards, 8 action cards, instruction and cheat sheet. How to set up. To begin the game, empty any one set of cards from the box and mix them together. Remember, set 1 has the action cards. In case you are playing with set 2, use the same action cards. Now place them evenly on a surface. Take note that the card must be arranged in grid structure. You are all set to start the game. How to play. Player 1 selects 2 cards from the grid and determines if these are the correct translations of each other. If matching, player 1 wins the pair and takes one more turn. Otherwise, both cards are returned to original position. For instance, each player continues to take turn trying to acquire maximum matching pairs. Winning the game. Once all cards from the grid are over, the player or team with the highest matching pair wins the game. Using action cards. During a turn, if any player opens an action card from the grid, the player retains the action card for future use and keeps the other card on its original position. If both cards open are action cards, player retain both cards and the turn is completed. Action cards can be used anytime during the player's turn, including the turn when it's drawn. Once the action card is used, it is removed from the game. Use the skip card to skip the following player's turn. Use the chance card to take an extra turn. During the game, if another player opens the matching translation of the retained language and the player snatches the translation card to win the pair. Once using scramble, all the cards arranged in the grid must be shuffled and rearranged.